Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync WhatsApp contacts on Android. Now, if you're in WhatsApp, hop out of there, and instead we're going to go into your settings. So swipe up and open up your settings. The first place that we're going to go to is scroll down, and you're going to go to apps. And within apps, we're going to go to two different app settings. The first one is we're going to scroll down until we get to, keep scrolling, until we get to, there it is, WhatsApp. Now on here, just tap on permissions. And then of course, contacts, you need to switch this to allow. Now in a lot of instances, this will fix it. But if it doesn't fix it, if you're still running into issues, let's go back out of here. And then we're gonna scroll all the way up until we find contacts, because there could be an issue with the contacts app. The first thing we're gonna do is tap on permissions and then go to contacts and make sure the contacts app is allowed to access your contacts. Next, we're going to go back, tap on contact settings, and then we're going to go down and then we're going to go to sync contact accounts. Make sure both of these are toggled on and then hit sync. And now you should be able to open up WhatsApp. And if you tap on the plus, you should be able to see contacts on WhatsApp. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.